What is up, guys? Zach Wolf here, and today I went over to Walmart and I bought something nice. Now, I did know that they brought back Mighty Beans and Bakugan. That will be there in the future, trust me. And also, I'm using my new phone, by the way. The quality is kind of iffy, but yeah. What can I do? I'm using the rear camera because it makes it so much easier. I didn't know why I never did that in the first fucking place because I'm a stupid idiot. But yeah. So y'all know what this is. This is the unboxing box. If you remember, if you've been on my channel for about almost a few years or what so, you'll know what this is. And today I went over to Walmart, but I didn't get a Bakugan because I wanted to get one, but I was like, I think I should save that for later. Because I know they brought back Bakugan, which is my childhood, by the way, so I'm happy they brought back Bakugan. That's my childhood. I love it. And, yeah. So instead of that, I got something different that actually caught my eye. I got a Walmart bag. I'm just kidding. I actually got yoink, a new Beyblade Burst Sling Shocks, whatever these are. This is also, if you like the new angle, you know, tell me in the comments if you like the new angle. These are called Sling Shocks. This one doesn't come with these ones don't come with a launcher, but I already got a launcher here, so I'm good. I guess basically these are like the old engine gears back in the day, whenever I remember those. But yeah. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it and see what's going on here. It's not going to open. So anyways, I'm going to put this is the second clip of my video, but anyways, let's get opening to this, because I really want to see what's going on here. Oh god. It's not going to be a clean cut here. There we go. Now we got it. Before we get onto the base, let's go ahead and see the booklet here and see what the hell these things do. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. I'm making this a separate thing because my other phone, my new phone, doesn't have enough memory, so technically, because it's a piece of shit, I hate it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just use my other phone here. That's why the quality is a little bit different. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and use my other phone since it's a little better. Anyways, going on to this. I tried looking at the booklet, and basically this is just for a new launcher. That's why it's called Sling Shock, I guess. Anyways, let's go ahead and pull them out. Okay, put that to a side. Looks like they got these things and those little tie things that used to get back then. Oh boy. Let's see if I can try to get them off like... Oh god, I'm gonna end up hurting myself with this. I'm gonna get my trusty knife. Here it is. I'm gonna try not to cut these. Boom. Hell yeah. Got that out. Yeah, boy, we're getting progress. Okay. So, I guess... Oh, this has a rubber tip. I just not noticed that. Do these wind up or something? Or are they like the old engine gears? I'm not sure. There we go. Pull that bad boy out. There's a few reasons. There's actually one reason why I got this instead of the Bakugan thing. The reason why I got this instead of the Bakugan thing because... Oh, this one has a Sharp flat tip. You can change it to sharp or flat. That's cool. But the reason why I got this one was because it comes with Kerbeus K4, which he looks badass, by the way, as usual. Let's put this to the side too. Put my knife away so I don't kill myself. Alright, let's put this together. See what they look like. Damn, I gotta admit, they both actually look pretty cool. But he was the one that caught my eye, which is the reason why I got this, but yeah. But yeah, they're pretty damn cool. Look at that. Well, yeah, that's basically